Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to video Kapwing. Text can completely transform your video whether it's caption, titles or aesthetic codes. In Kapwing, adding text is very simple and beginner friendly. You can customize fonts, colors, animations and even timing to make your content look professional. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here what you can do is you can also open any of the existing drafts on the bottom here, or you can simply create a new one by uploading your photo. As I'm going to select the previous drafts here by simply clicking onto it. Under this editing timeline, in the left hand side we can find there's an option for the text. Simply click onto this text here, and under this text we can find there's an option for the drag and drop as well. You can also choose any of the style that you prefer as well. You can also select the templates if you want templates under this text. As I'm going to select one of the style here, once you click onto this style it will automatically put it up under this editing timeline. Simply delete the text here and type down the new text as well. And that is it. This is how you can add text to video in Kapwing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.